Tired of bland project management? Let's cook up a flavorful, efficient Jira experience with our Jira Aalo recipe. First, let's configure our projects. We're going to use Jira's project setup to outline the main ingredients of our project. Create a new project, selecting your project type and giving it a descriptive name. Think of this as choosing the fresh potatoes, the foundation of our Aalo. Next, define your workflows. Those are the steps of cooking our Jira Aalo. In project settings, create your custom workflow for your team. You can add steps like to do, in progress, and done, much like the steps of cooking your Aalo, from washing the potatoes to serving the dish. Now, customize those issues. Issues are like the bite-sized pieces containing your tasks. Configure the issue types, like tasks or bugs, to specify your needs. Also, add custom fields, like priority or due date, to your project settings. Think of adding your masala and spices. Before serving, establish permissions. Make sure the right team members have the access they need. This acts like dividing the dish among your team members: who gets to chop, who gets to cook, and who gets to taste the final dish. Now it's time to test and refine. Add some sample issues and flow them through that workflow. Make any changes to fields or permissions as needed. This is our taste test phase of Jira Aalo preparation. Serve your project and enjoy. With your Jira Aalo setup, you have a streamlined workflow ready for efficiency and improved team collaboration. Now you are ready to efficiently manage your project. Spawn up a copyright hit. And don't forget to click subscribe for more Jira recipes.